Can you believe this car has magnetic power? With the press of a button, the car that was stuck to it was instantly flung away. Facing a fierce attack from the enemy, Dean drove the vehicle to the side of the road, activated the magnetic power, and the cars behind him turned into a magnet, pulling all the metal objects in the shop towards them, heavily smashing onto the SUV. Then even an electric scooter from the side of the road collided with it, and the SUV turned into a pile of scrap metal on the spot. At that moment, a heavily armored vehicle chased from behind, and the team members in the rear began firing wildly, trying to force it to stop. However, the armored vehicle was bulletproof, and the bullets were useless. Dean and his girlfriend had no choice but to crank the magnetic device to the maximum, and instantly, all the cars on both sides of the street rushed toward the armored vehicle. Despite the hundreds of cars intercepting it, the armored vehicle bulldozed through them without slowing down. Just when Dean was beginning to feel helpless, Cena appeared just in time, driving a sports car. With both of them activating the magnetic power to full force, they tightly grabbed the front of the armored vehicle and simultaneously slammed on the brakes. With the resistance of the tires, they forced the armored vehicle to a halt. The powerful inertia made the back of the vehicle lift, and the hundreds of tons heavy armored car stood upright. As it was about to tip over, Dean successfully caught Cena, but the mission wasn't over yet. Dean climbed onto the armored vehicle, pulled out a grenade from his pocket, deactivated the safety, quickly threw it, and then jumped into the vehicle. With an explosion, the armored vehicle rolled down the mountain. Dean wobbled into the driver's seat and managed to steer the vehicle upright with a quick turn of the wheel. Just as Dean thought he had escaped the crisis, Kelly suddenly appeared, firing 2 rockets straight at him, followed by another 2 rockets. Dean swerved, quickly jumped out of the vehicle, and made a narrow escape. The armored vehicle's tail swung around, successfully taking out the plane.